Okay, so think about right now, how many questions have you got in your inbox, whether it's Airbnb inbox, email inbox, Facebook inbox, from guests who are coming to stay with you? Let me know. How many can you think of right now? And what are those most common questions? My name is Mark Simpson. I help hosts all over the world with the tools, the tactics, the training, and the confidence to get direct bookings. And this is something that is really important to me. If you want to cut down on the amount of questions that you get in your inbox, then what you need to do is you need to nail down your customer avatar. So if you don't know what the customer avatar is, please make sure you go and pick up a copy of the Book Direct Playbook. As you can see right here, page 29, we talk about for 30 pages, the customer avatar and why it is so important. So make sure you go pick up a copy. The Book Direct Playbook, it is on Amazon. Is there right now on Audible, Kindle, and print. But the customer avatar is so important because when you nail your customer avatar, you will have the answers to your guest questions before they've even thought about them. Let me just say that again. When you nail down your customer avatar, you will have the answers to their questions before you've even thought about them, before they've even thought about them. And that's really important because if you know your guest inside out, if you know the ideal person that you are looking to attract into your property or properties, then what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to build up frequently asked questions. And with a frequently asked questions, you can put it in your digital guidebook from Hostfully or TouchStay. You can put it on the homepage of your website. Go check out Boostly websites if you want an example of that right now. And it just means that when they're on your website or when they're looking to book, if you already answered their question, it means that there's one less barrier that they need to get over before they make that booking with you. So whether they were going to pick up the phone, whether they were going to email, or whether they're going to try and do live chat, if you can eliminate that, then it just means you're going to get that booking quicker. So think right now, go look at the most common questions that are in your inbox right now. So out of the last 10 bookings, what's been the most common question? And then what I want for you to do is think, well, who do I want to be attracting? Who do I want to be appealing? Whether it's families, solo people, business people, whether it's adults, whether it's young people, whether it's hen parties or whatever it may be. Think about the questions that they're going to ask and get them visible online. Make sure that they are visible. And like I say, when you nail this down, it's going to save you so much time in the long run because you will have answered their question before they've even thought about it. Okay. That's all for today's episode. A quick one, but it's one that's really important. As always, I'm here every single day on the Boostly podcast, the YouTube, the Facebook, everywhere to help you increase your direct bookings. My goal is to help 1 million hosts. So if you can do me a massive favor and share this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, download, but share this video into Facebook groups, share it into LinkedIn groups, share it in your social media. Let's spread the word of other hosts that are around the world so they know that the help is here. We're closing in on 500 podcast episodes, which is pretty amazing. I'm planning something really big when we get to that 500 mark, but for the time being, please make sure that you download, subscribe. The Boostly podcast, so happy to say that we're in the top 1% of all podcasts in the world in terms of download numbers, which is amazing. Let's make sure we continue this and spread the word. The number one podcast in the world with the number one community in the number one industry. Thank you so much for checking out. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode. Take care, everybody.